Good morning, students. I am Yoginder. Once again, this video for class 9th, subject Information Technology, and chapter name is Computer Fundamental. In this video, we will discuss secondary memory and their types. So, students, in my previous video, I have discussed computer memory, two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory, and their types. Now we will discuss secondary memory. What is secondary memory, or what do you understand by secondary memory? The memory that is located outside the CPU, who is called secondary memory. As the amount of primary memory is very less, secondary storage is used by the CPU to store large data sets, instructions and results. These are some characteristics of secondary memory. Slower than primary memory. Secondary memory is slower than primary memory because secondary memory located outside the CPU. Cheaper than primary memory. Secondary memory is cheap compared than primary memory. Available in large quantities to the tunes of terabyte, means secondary memory is available in large quantity, maybe TB. So students, secondary memory is located outside the CPU, so it is slow because this memory not direct access by CPU, and storage capacity is much than primary memory. And discuss difference between primary memory and secondary memory. So student, listen carefully and learn all difference. Primary storage, secondary storage means primary memory or secondary memory. Main memory or internal memory is other name of primary memory. Auxiliary memory, external memory or secondary memory is the other name of secondary storage. Example of primary memory: RAM, ROM, cache memory, PROM, EPROM. And example of secondary memory is hard disk, CD, DVD, floppy disk, flash drives, etc. Temporary storage data while in use means primary memory is used for temporary data store, and whereas secondary memory data store permanently. Volatile memory: primary memory is a volatile memory and secondary memory is non-volatile memory. CPU direct access data, because primary memory located inside CPU, so CPU direct access data. Secondary memory located outside the CPU, so CPU does not directly access data. Power cuts case data loss: if your computer or power get lost, then your data will be lost. In secondary memory case, power cuts do not cause data loss. Your data is permanently stored. Limited storage capacity in primary memory. All memory are limited storage, but in case of secondary memory, expensive and scalable storage capacity. Secondary memory, unlimited storage capacity. Primary memory, faster data access because it is located in CPU के अंदर रहती है इसलिए. Slower data access secondary memory because secondary memory located outside CPU. Now very common example of secondary memory. First picture is hard disk and second picture is pen drive. Now types of secondary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called auxiliary devices. Auxiliary devices are two types, means secondary memory are two types, fixed and removable. Fixed memory, storage devices that cannot be easily removed from the computer. जिस मेमोरी को हम easily कंप्यूटर से रिमूव नहीं कर सकते हैं, these are fixed devices. Once they are connected to the CPU externally through wires, they always remain connected. Example of a fixed memory device is hard disk. Hard disk is the example of fixed memory. Next, removal. The storage devices that can be easily removed from and attached to a computer are called removable devices. Example of removable devices is pen drive. जिस स्टोरेज डिवाइस को हम इजीली सीपीयू से रिमूव कर सकते हैं, निकाल सकते हैं, हटा सकते हैं, दैट कार्ड इज रिमूवेबल मेमोरी. नाउ एग्जांपल ऑफ सेकेंडरी मेमोरी you have already known: hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. All these example of secondary memory include removable or fixed memory. Thank you.